Alright guys, let's jump into it. First, add your text, whatever you want. I'll just use my server name here. I'll make it a bit bigger to better demonstrate how this effect actually works. Now, a very important thing, your font choice matters. So make sure to pick the right one. I'm just going to use something bold to explain it better. Then, go to Effects and Presets, search for CC Smear, and drag and drop it onto your text layer. Now, select the From anchor point and place it carefully. Don't position it at the very top. Try placing it somewhere lower for a better effect. You can lower the radius if you want to target a specific letter. But in my case, I'll keep it high, somewhere around 80 to 90. Since my text is bold, it gives a cool blade-like effect. Okay, now we have the drip effect, but there's no animation yet, so let's create some. Keyframe the reach property, and make sure you're at the first frame of the layer. Set it to 0. Then move forward a few frames and increase the amount until it drips off. It all depends on how you want the effect. If you want a single drop, increase it until it falls, or if you want a continuous dripping effect, adjust it accordingly. I'll go with the continuous dripping effect. You can move the last keyframe to extend the duration of the drip, making it slower and more fluid. Now, if you want to add another drip on the same text, you don't need to redo everything. Just duplicate the CC Smear effect by pressing Ctrl-Delete. Then all you need to do is set the From and To anchor points exactly where you want the drip to appear. And that's it! Now you have a cool drip effect. But there's one thing missing. That is the glow for the final touch. You can use deep glow, animate the text, change the color, whatever fits your style. Now you have a cool drip effect on your text. That's it for today, guys. If you need animation effects, saber effects, or more for your text, check out the Text Animation Preset playlist. Everything's available in my Discord server, CC packs, shake packs, transition packs, and more. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Join my Discord now, link in the description. Comment below what tutorial you want next and which pack should drop next. Until then, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye.